In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find your phone contacts on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then go to your profile, hit add 3 lines, and then go into settings. On settings, tap where it says account, and right here you can easily find contacts syncing. That's where you can enable or disable contacts syncing. If you want to be able to find the people from your phone contacts on Instagram, just hit add that button to turn this feature on. After that, you can go to your profile, then hit add this little person's icon next to share profile to show up discover people tab, and then just hit add see all. That will show you suggested people for you, and most of that people are based on your phone contacts. So you can just scroll down, and in that way you can easily find people from your phone contacts. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.